Hello, good morning to everyone, my dear family out there, Singapore. I have an important message sa aking pinakamagandang panganay na apo, si Bibi Atalia. Hi, Atalia. Tatay will greet you. I will greet you a warm, happy, blessed 21st birthday. So sad lang si tatay, my ways was not able to fulfill to come and attend your 21st birthday. But anyway, uh, I have a song for you, a birthday song. I hope you like it. Tatay no good voice. So, sorry, my eyes problem under on progress medication, so my eyes blurred and cannot see. So I'm sorry that while I'm greeting you now, I covered my left eye. But anyway, I have to sing a birthday song for you. I hope you you like it. My voice is not good, but this is heartily dedicated for your 21st birthday, Apo. I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. God bless you. Happy birthday, my beautiful panganay na apo, Atalia. I love you, baby. Enjoy your birthday with your mom, your dad, and your brother and your sister, your nanay, si Tita Jilly, and all your friends around there, your aunties, uncles, or your co-workers or your classmates. Enjoy your day. God bless you. I miss you. I love you, baby. See you soon. I try my best to go home now. Go home as soon as possible. So, happy birthday uli, Apo. I love you. I miss you. God bless you. I wish more birthdays to come. Always good health. Stay as a good daughter. And God-fearing. Oh, thank you. Love you. Bye. Happy birthday uli.